normally when you test a part out, like we fixed the plug-in on this that was causing it to not shift, you would normally test it driving down the road, normal circumstances, stuff like that. Well, with the little LMTV here, we're going to test it by seeing it if we'll go over these two cars. Got this poor little Subaru battle wagon the guy just was going to send to scrap, and you have this little New Yorker. Let's have some fun. Here we go. You're just pushing.
Come get in.
LMTV Stuck. Came off the Subaru and sunk into the firewall of this, caught the axle. I'm gonna try to let all the air out of the tire wall being under this thing. This is gonna be a little sketchy. Oh look, glass. Please don't collapse on me. Oh, that's not bad. A lot of pressure on this beast.
Oh yeah, we came nowhere near touching that plug.
Yeah, I see that. Sean. I have another sketchy idea.
Hey Willie, that's not my sway bar.
What is that? Oh, that's your steering link.
Yes, sir. This is what we call get her done.
I was thinking, that'll give us another 3-4 inches.
This is also what happens when you take the chart and mess around and find out.
So we almost got it unstuck. Bent the steering bar a little bit there, but all around having a fun time. I have a good one too. Okay. Straight back. We're free! So, here, you get the hood release.
I did.
Okay, so I give Subarus a lot of crap, but even after being ran over by an LMTV, the hood release still works and latches. Oh, there we go. I think that engine's fine, besides throwing a rod.
Can't believe it actually
So that is the improper way to test out your plug that you just fixed on your LMTV. You know, destroyed 2 cars in the process. No big loss, just a Subaru. And now we get to start fixing some other things on this beast. We'll see you next time.